Check this out. A YouTube channel with just 53 shorts, and yet it has nearly 4 million subscribers, with a staggering 8.5 billion total views. And the channel was created only 5 months ago. Sounds unreal, right? But that's exactly the reality. Now, you're probably thinking, how does a channel with so few videos achieve such massive success? Well, here's the kicker. Every single one of their videos pulls insane numbers. The highest one has a mind-blowing 162 million views. And the best part? The numbers are still growing fast. No wonder fans are asking for tutorials on how to create similar videos. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make videos like this in just 10 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. 10 minutes. If you're curious, keep watching because you won't want to miss this. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the amazing content coming your way. But before we jump into it, let's quickly touch on two major questions people always ask. Monetization. Let's get real. Monetization is why most of us start a channel in the first place. Let's face it, if a video isn't making money, it's not doing its job, right? So, here's the deal. If you have Google's extension, YouTube Monetization Checker, all you need to do is click check, and boom, you'll see this channel already. Monetization. Next question. How much can you earn? Head over to Social Blade, and you'll see estimates ranging from 14K to 217K a month based on the RPM. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Wait, this is for shorts, not long-form videos. Let me break it down for you. Let's take this channel, which has 54 million views in the last 30 days. If we use the $0.10 RPM model, that means the total ad revenue for those 54 million views is $5,400. That's serious cash. Now let me ask you, do you think the video production process looks like this? Write a script using ChatGPT. Create storyboard prompts, generate storyboard images, convert images to video, complex editing with various sound effects. Nope, not today. We're throwing that entire process out the window. Today's method will completely change the way you think about video creation. All you need is a few clicks with a mouse. In 10 minutes, you'll have a complete video ready to go, and no, you don't need any fancy skills. Let me introduce you to Vuela.ai, the AI powerhouse that could literally launch your channel overnight. What is Vuela.ai? It's not just another AI tool. It's a complete content engine. It writes scripts, generates visuals, syncs voiceovers, and even handles SEO and keyword research, all in one go. Now, let's talk about viral hooks, because let's be honest, that's the most important part of a video, right? Guess what? Vuela.ai delivers all you need. Need custom visuals or avatars? Done. Music? It has a built-in library. And everything is optimized for platforms like Google, YouTube, and TikTok to ensure your content goes viral. And the best part, Vuela.ai just launched a super powerful tool called Video Cloner. That means you can simply drop a viral video URL, pick your brand voice, select a style, and Vuela does the rest. No editing, no timeline headaches. Let me show you how it works. Step 1. Find a viral video. For this demo, I'll use the 162 million view video as an example. Right-click on the video to grab the link. Then go to Vuela.ai. Click on the Create Content button and head to the workspace. Step 2. Use Video Cloner. Click on Video Cloner. Paste the link. Choose the language. And select Premium Video Quality. Don't forget to turn on sound effects for the best results. Then click Analyze Cost. This might take a few minutes. Step 3. Cloning process. Once the analysis is done, click Clone Video. Wait for about 5 to 10 minutes, depends on duration of the video. I'll skip the waiting time for you. Now let's check out the result. Look at that. Pretty cool, right? If you're satisfied with the result, you can click Download 720p by default, or upscale to 1080p or 2K. Now, you might be thinking, what? It's not 100% the same? Well, of course not. 100% the same content would not match YouTube's algorithm, and your video wouldn't get any traffic, let alone go viral. That's what makes Vuela.ai so smart. It simulates the story to create a completely unique video, which is what will help you go viral. And here's the kicker. Vuela.ai isn't just for YouTube videos. You can clone TikTok and Instagram videos too. Here's an example. Let's take this viral TikTok video with 228K likes. Right-click the video link. Paste it into Vuela.ai and follow the same process. Just some clicks. And boom, in under 10 minutes, you have a fully polished video ready to upload. So with Vuela.ai, you can copy any viral video from any niche. Don't know which videos go viral? No problem. Check out viral content from Vuela.ai. Or explore the tools section for tons of video templates that will inspire you. Overall, whether you're a solo creator, a marketer, or a small business, Vuela.ai gives you brand-level content with minimal effort. I'll leave the link in the video description so you can check it out for yourself. And Vuela.ai isn't free, but it offers 3 pricing plans. Starter at $19 a month, Growth at $39, Business at $99. You get credits for videos, avatars, images, articles, all as part of the package. Even the starter plan lets you generate up to 33 videos per month. That's more than enough if you're posting daily. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. This will motivate me to make even more awesome videos for you. See you in the next one. Good luck.